you, my guy.
Hello, hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your jacket.
Thank you.
What's
sir.
your name?
My name is Obinna.
Obinna. Why do you want to be the next idol?
Because I believe that I have message to give to the world and I have things for people to listen to.
What's shitty?
What's the name of your song?
Be a star.
Take it away.
Cause everybody always looking for something. We all got a problem. But I know one day I'm gonna be a star. I'm gonna rise up. Cause people always gonna hear me. Oh yeah. Cause I'm gonna be a star. Everybody got something to say, but I know that I got Mercedes.
You are a star. You are a star already. This guy is a star.
Man.
You wrote that song yourself?
Yes, sir.
The thing where the boss me, like, the way you take the... Maybe he might be a better writer.
Yeah, it might be.
You just came because, like, you're just bored today. It's like, you know what?
Guys.
I'm going to show up and do something.
One day, you're fighting us.
I just want to show myself out. Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. I'm the band, you are the boss. And CV, I love you. Oh, be thank you, sir.
Next year, when you come back,
I'm gonna be a star.